Honorable Minister of Education about your college who's working tirelessly with universities to top up something which is lacking. So what are you saying about this late?
Yeah, I'm by name Gai Samuel Pandak, fourth year student of Science and Technology, pursuing a bachelor's degree in chemistry. Today it is actually a very mobilized moment and at the same time tremendous for the students of Dr. Garang, having received the President of the Republic and at the same time the Chancellor of all the public universities. This has been a standard day for many of us since we have witnessed the officiation of the new building. And as I was actually following the speeches given, some of the speeches were up to standard because they were trying to tell us the vision and how this university should be developed and should be raised to a certain standard of the world universities. As a student of science and technology, I am very happy with all my resignation to see that the university is developed in terms of the science equipment. Like if I go to my lab, many of the things are lacking, especially the advanced analytical scientific equipment. And these are the things that we actually need the government and the administration of the university to work over them and try to develop more on them. Concerning the building, it will actually not be beneficial alone to the current students, but also to those who will be coming, because the conduciveness is what has motivated many of us to continue appreciating the work. And in fact, this can never be a kind of mutilation to the work of Professor Matthew, because when you put a person into power and actually execute many of the activities like this visible one, it becomes a motivating factor towards the development. Therefore, as a senior student, I am happy to have witnessed the work of Professor Matthew. And with my own perspicacity, I am very happy and delighted to give congratulatory message in his absence. That is what I have to say. Based on the speech delivered by the Higher Education Minister, Chang Sun Chang, in fact, I am happy to have heard many of the things mentioned and promised to be done to this university. And though I will be leaving maybe in October or November, based on the calendar of the university, I would be happy to witness when I usually come back as an outsider to see some of the things being implemented, as say before in the function.
What can you tell opportunists? Many people are looking for position to come and stay, leaving nothing later on. As this man show up something today to people of South Sudan, what are you telling upcoming leaders of the university?
In fact, the message I have is that for the people to love the leader when appointed must always do the will of the people. Visible action is what speaks more than a political ground. And in fact, a political ground is actually cultivated over the atmosphere of such kind of visible actions. And therefore, I would urge our people to be always observing the will of the people, not to surpass their own interests and leaving the interests of the people aside.
Thank you.
Thank you.